In this video, we will demonstrate the process to back up the DX NetOps Virtual Network Assurance configurations. The VNA system configurations are stored in a MySQL database, and the plugin templates and active plugins are stored in a directory in the VNA install directory, and this video will demonstrate how to back up these configurations. The VNA data is stored in the Performance Management Data repository, which has its own backup process, so the VNA data is not backed up in this demonstration. It is common to have multiple VNA hosts running in a DX NetOps environment, and this process needs to be run on each host in order to ensure the entire VNA system is backed up. The process is performed on each host, logged in as root or the install sudo user. To get started, create a backup directory to store the backup files. In this video, we will create the directory on the same host and drive where VNA is installed, but it is recommended to store your backup files on a different mount point or a different server to ensure the backup files are safe in the event of a host failure. We'll use the make directory command to create the backup folder in the temp directory. Next, we'll verify the directory. With the backup directory created, we will back up the configurations in the MySQL database first. To perform the backup, we'll use the dbbackup.sh backup script installed with VNA. This script is located in the directory, tools, bin. After the p flag in the command, we'll enter the MySQL database password. And then we will designate the backup directory along with the name of the backup file. Next, we'll execute the backup script. When the backup is complete, the path to the backup directory is listed along with the name of the backup file. Notice that a timestamp was automatically added to the end of the backup file name, to make it easy to find the latest backup when performing a restore. And to complete the process, we'll verify the file was created. After backing up the MySQL database, the collector directory needs to be backed up as well. When a plugin is installed and configured on the VNA host, a new directory is created for the plugin. These plugins are also known as engine IDs, and are stored in the collector directory of the VNA install directory. To back up the plugins, we will copy the entire collector directory to the backup directory. In this demo, we have two plugins configured in the collector directory. One for OpenStack, and the other for Versa. To back up these files, execute the copy command with the recursive option, followed by the path to the collector directory, then the path to the backup directory. After the command runs, we'll verify the collector backup. Here you can see two plugin configurations were copied over. One for OpenStack, and the other for Versa. From here, continue this process on each VNA host to complete the backup process. This concludes the backup VNA configurations video.